I'm out here in my mini bed garden getting the new mini beds in position for pinning. And I thought this would be a good time to discuss how I do that. It's always more pleasing to the eye to have straight lines in your mini bed garden. And you can do that pretty easily with a string. Here you can see I have positioned this mini bed where I need it at this end, and I've driven in the re-rod stake, tied a string to it. There's a corresponding stake at the other end, and then I simply align the frames with the string line. And if I need to, I can bop them back and forth with a hammer, get them all just the way I want them. It's important to, you can see I have a string on each row. It's important to stand back before you pin these and take a look at them. Now in the other direction, I am lining them up by eye with the existing rows. Your eye can be a pretty accurate measuring or aligning tool. So I'll bop these around a little bit more. The spacing that I have here between the rows and then between the beds in the rows is the same spacing that I tell about in my mini bed gardening report. I like that spacing. After 1 year, I'm satisfied it's a good spacing to give plants, roots, sufficient room and moisture supply in the mini beds. For the plants that do grow beyond the confines of the mini beds, they have room. It's a good spacing. And here's a good time to just reiterate that 78% of this mini bed garden area is covered with the plastic mulch and will never need weeding. It's one, not the only, but one of the great things about this mini bed system. 78% of the weeding is eliminated, and the weeding that needs to be done can be done in a few moments with your whiz-bang pocket cultivator, which I actually do have in my pocket. Okay, so there you go, string lines. Take a few moments and get them lined up so that you have a pleasing and accurate arrangement. See you later.